Welcome to our channel. Whether you are a corporate executive or a small business owner, you will find useful insights to leverage ERP for optimal performance in this video, which covers everything from the fundamentals of ERP integration to advanced strategies for maximizing your business potential. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth business tech advice. ERP software is like the brain of a business, handling all the important information needed for the company to work well. It's a key part of your success, a main tool that every department in a company uses to do their work every day. In old times, as software and systems got better, they developed separately, going in different directions. Because of this, joining them together often needed tricky custom code, or sometimes they couldn't be joined at all. But now things are different. With cloud-based SaaS softwares, automation is the way forward, and joining systems together is much simpler. Joining ERP with finance is super important because it helps to avoid mistakes, making closing accounts faster, and gives you one reliable place for all your expense informations. That's why I have put together this must-have guide to ERP joining. I will talk about everything mentioned before a lot more. Keep watching to understand more about how ERP systems join together. ERP is basically how companies organize and use their resources smartly. It touches almost every part of a company, like money matters, managing people, understanding business trend, keeping customers happy, handling supplies, and more. Every part of a company makes a lot of data, and ERP system helps you gather, keep, follow, and study this data from different business areas, making one reliable place for all info. ERP integration means linking your ERP system with other software or platforms for easy data sharing and better workflow. It's like making different software systems chat and work as a team. When all data sources are linked and updated in real time, sharing info automatically, we say they are integrated. Since ERP software should be the go-to place for all facts, it's key that most software used by your company's departments can connect with your ERP. When everything works together smoothly, you get more automation, things stay in sync, work gets done faster, data is more correct, and it's easier to use. ERP integration is super important because it gives everyone in the company one place to find the truth. When data isn't linked, problems start popping up everywhere. Info stays locked away, hard to get, and even tougher to make sense of. Then, because the data is stuck in its own bubble, people have to move it around by hand, sometimes even typing it in themselves. This causes mistakes, less teamwork, and delays in getting info. So data becomes unreliable and making good decisions gets tough. Sadly, not all softwares and hardware get along. They speak different computer languages and handle data in their own ways. ERP integration fixes this by acting like a bridge, synchronizing data in the right way across different systems, keeping it correct and useful. Today, most companies use three main ways to mix their ERP system with other softwares. Integration PaaS, platform as a service. iPaaS is like a toolkit for creating and setting up connections between softwares, whether they are in the cloud or on your own servers. You can get them up and running without needing extra hardware. Enterprise Service Bus, ESB. ESB is an older method that's usually set up one site. It uses special connectors to help different kinds of software talk to each other. Point-to-point, P2P. P2P is a custom-built solutions that uses coding and APIs, means applications programming interfaces, to link two softwares directly. They share data at regular intervals, which is known as periodic synchronization. When it comes to mixing ERP with other tools, businesses often face few hurdles. Data compatibility. The main aim is to make all tools work together smoothly, but sometimes old software might need you to move data by hand. Configuration and customization. ERP software is great because you can tweak it a lot, but these changes can cause trouble later if they don't play well with new updates or tools you add. Mixing systems involves expenses like software fees and upgrading your setup, which can be tough to handle. Change management is also a task to make sure that your team is up to speed and comfy with the new ways of working after adding ERP integrations. Since every company is unique and uses different softwares, having a system that can work well with a variety of tools is super important. When your business grows, how you spend money is super important. Connecting your ERP to all parts of your business can really change the game, especially in accounting. There are loads of good things about ERP integration. It makes work faster, clearer, more accurate, and ready for growth. Let's look at this one by one. Transactions can be automatically sorted, which reduces errors and saves time. Having a strong link up means you can see everything clearly and make sure everyone's doing what they should be. It's like having a single source of truth when you can handle cards, payments, buying stuff, travel, and more all in one place. You get the full picture of your spending and can manage it better. Imagine receiving updates as they occur, that it's real time for you. With ERP connections, your data is always up to date, so your team does not have to wait for the newest news or calculate the statistics themselves. Smart controls also make it easier to manage spending and complete accounting tasks faster. It's not just about collecting data, you need to trust it. That's where smart systems help keep your info right and up to date. For example, smart systems can sort expenses on their own, which means fewer mistakes. And if there are expenses it can't sort, it can suggest rules to help sort them out. Plus, it stops you from entering the same thing twice. If you are dreaming of taking your business worldwide, or if you are already there and want to make things smoother, ERP connections are your friend. They help you manage everything, no matter where you are, and make sure your spending rules fit the local scene. Making peace with global accounts gets simpler when your ERP systems can automatically sort and send transactions to the right subsidiary accounts. You can bring in details from one or many subsidiaries and also send out their financial entries. What's more, you can keep an eye on expenses and settle bills in different currencies, not just US dollars, and handle tax details by linking expenses with the correct tax codes. Today's world of business is super competitive and quite complex. That's why it's key to grab any edge you can, no matter how teeny. This is the real deal with ERP integration. When you have a complete picture of your business, including your team, money matters, and customer info, you are in a better place to make smart choices. And when this info updates on its own instantly, you save time from boring manual work and can focus on important tasks that really helps your business grow. This way, connecting your ERP with your accounting software could be a game changer in boosting work efficiency and growth, no matter the economic ups and downs. Not long ago, when there were only a few must-have business softwares, it was possible to manually configure an API, that's technical jargon for software that allows multiple systems to communicate. Configure an API to connect softwares with an older ERP system. However, as the number of must-have softwares grew, managing APIs by hand resulted in extremely complicated systems and messy, complex code that was difficult to sort through. To meet the demand for easier integration, the best ERPs today are ready with lots of built-in connectors, APIs, and tools for joining things together. As ERPs and online services keep getting better, new chances for joining up different business systems will come up. CRM, customer relationship management, is a favorite tool for sales and marketing employees because it lets them see details and past interactions with potential customers. This helps them tailor their talks with customers to make their experience better and increase chances of making a sale. When CRM is combined with ERP, it gets even better because it gives real-time updates on market trends, customer needs, and helps analyze data. This means marketing messages hit the mark more often and sales team can take care of leads better. Business intelligence. This is software is all about making sense of data. It picks up data from reliable sources and then uses smart AI tech to analyze it. The main aim is to give insights that businesses can really use. Sometimes these insights can lead to new ways of working or even new chances for business. When BI is mixed with cloud ERP, these insights are put together in one place and shared faster with the people who need to act on them. HR, human resources, and HCM, human capital management, are getting more complex quickly. The pandemic changed HR work almost overnight, and now there's more pressure on these teams to use data to make money for the company. By combining HCM with ERP, companies can keep using their specialized HR apps and systems and also add the benefits of cloud ERP. This helps with everything from hiring to keeping employees to retirement, making these tasks informed and automated in this busy and ever-changing area. There's an old saying, you don't plan to fail, you fail to plan. And it's true. Planning tools are important, but project management tools often end up being used only by certain teams. They can be tricky to learn, and once teams get used to them, they don't want to switch. But here's the good news. With project management, ERP integration, the best project management systems can be linked with a central ERP. This way, teams can keep using the tools they like, but there's also a single view of every project and team with consistent reports and data sharing in one database. E-commerce softwares are usually the first tech tools as a company starts using, but now e-commerce isn't just about buying things online. The real game changer is using sales data to get ahead. Imagine smart sales in stores that talk to warehouses to keep stock levels just right. Marketing and sales personnels can make the most of up to the minute data from all sales channels. By connecting e-commerce with ERP systems, your online business tools become part of a bigger, smarter data network. Companies that use machines or vehicles were quick to see how EAM and IoT tech could help them. With ERP systems, IoT data can do even more. It's cool when machines tell you they need fixing, but what if they could also guide you to work smarter? Combining EAM with ERP systems means smarter supply chains and manufacturing powered by cloud ERP analysis. We all know about omni-channel shopping. Customers want a smooth experience, whether they're shopping online or in store. They expect the same from customer service. Right now, customers are hard to please. Their loyalty is shaky and everyone's competing hard. AI tech like chatbots and recommendation systems help businesses keep a personal touch, but top-notch service needs different departments to work together instantly. Whether it's fixing something, handling complaints, or answering billing questions, linking customer service with ERP systems lets you pull together different softwares and centralized customer info for all operational areas. Let us discuss about the advantages of cloud ERPs. Cloud ERP is well known for enhancing work efficiency and providing a clear view of your business activities. It acts as a single reliable point for all company information, which is crucial for smooth operations. ERP integration allows these perks to be applied more broadly, improving various aspects of your business. Modern businesses need to handle complex data swiftly. Real-time analysis helps you make smart decisions on the spot. This immediate data handling gives you an advantage over competitors. Having all info in one cloud-based spot cuts down on mistakes and security issues, making your business run better. Cloud ERP helps you follow rules and regulations, preventing costly legal problems. Businesses must adjust fast to new market demands. ERP links your team and processes so you can make quick, informed choices. Every step from raw material to delivery can be refined with cloud ERP, giving you a complete view and better control. It's vital to track and analyze the data to see if you are making money. Cloud ERP helps with quick and adaptable reporting. To better your workflow, you need to visualize it. ERP makes this easy and practical. Post-pandemic work has gone digital. Top cloud ERP systems let you work smoothly whether you are in the office or working remotely. Now let's talk about how businesses connect their ERP systems and what goods and bad about each method. For example, for simple setups with just a few APIs, you can do things manually without much fuss. P2P is all about coding by hand, which can be a headache and not so reliable for big companies. ESB is like a better organized P2P. It's cheaper for small businesses that don't have complicated needs. Just like P2P, ESB needs a lot of manual work. It's not smart enough to automate things and has to be set up differently each time. A modern ERP system that's ready to connect with different APIs makes managing them easier and more consistent, leading to quicker and more trustworthy results. However, managing APIs still involves manual work. It's not quick to adapt, automate, mix different types of data, or keep data in syncs. Plus, it's not ready for event-based setups out of the box. iPaaS is great because it works with mixed data types, updates automatically in the cloud, and makes it easier to connect different systems. It's getting smarter with AI and machine learning, and anyone can use it. The catch with iPaaS is the initial cost. If you are also investing in a new cloud ERP system, it might take some time to see a return on your investment. But given how complex the world of APIs is getting, iPaaS is a wise choice for a solution that can grow with your needs and stand the test of time. Let us discuss about what is iPaaS and how does it work. Integration platforms as a service, iPaaS, are like a toolkit for connecting different software applications. They use ready-made connectors and rules to make sure different programs can talk to each other in a shared space. Think of it as a way to quickly set up a conversion between softwares that usually don't work together. For companies that use cloud-based softwares, iPaaS is very important. A modern cloud ERP usually has some basic tools to connect with other softwares. These tools are enough if a company only uses a few main softwares, but most companies today use many different softwares and need stronger systems like iPaaS to manage all these connections well. With iPaaS, you can choose which softwares you want to connect, and it takes care of all the technical stuff like API settings and codes to make sure everything works together without any trouble. Businesses are getting more complex and customers always want something new. To keep up, you need software that can grow with your company. A cloud ERP is the heart of your business operations. So when you need to connect different parts of your business, you should choose an iPaaS that works well with your cloud ERP and comes with good support. Every company is different, but there are some things to think about when you start connecting your ERP with other systems. Look for solutions that can join different systems safely with the latest security measures that updates themselves. Choose tools that make your main business activities more efficient and connect different parts of your ERP. Find ways to link up all your softwares and data, even if they are stored in different places. Go for options that make it easier to work with softwares and data from other companies. Pick services that offer many ready-use connections. Make sure you can create, share, and control APIs. Choose tools that help you make and manage APIs easily. Use ready-made connections to save time and effort in setting up and keeping things running. Look for features that help you make APIs with less coding, using AI to guide you. Get a system that simplifies making connections, gives smart suggestions, and can work with both cloud and on-premise setups. Ensure it can handle business dealings with many partners. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I would like to receive your support. Please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel.